Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my wigs. I'm showing you guys, you know, a little install video. This is the wig I will be installing. I already went ahead and bleached her. She didn't need much plucking, so I didn't pluck anything. I might pluck a little bit once I put it on, but as of right now, it doesn't like it needs to be plucked much. I'm thinking a half up, half down, but like, this is not a half up, half down. This is a clip. Okay, that's not a half up, half down. I'm gonna take this wig off and then we're gonna get started on this wig. All right. Oh, this is dripping. What's up there right there? It's like I literally just bleached the knots. But for my wig caps, I don't really do much because I don't really care for it. I just like take the whole thing, cut your ear through. And people ask me like, what wig caps do I use? I literally just use whatever wig caps they send me. They send me an edge brush with a little spatula thing on it. You know what I mean? The little spatula thing. Tree spray. I'm just gonna blow dry this. Okay, it's dry. I went with my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the shade 10. This is what it looks like. And like, this is the brush. I really don't use a specific brush. I just pick up whatever brush. This is a foundation brush, but it's been beat, okay? And I just rubbed it across the hairline. And I look, first of all, I'm gonna talk about the muscles I've gained from doing my hair. Makes no sense. And I just cut this. I don't have a specific like method to cut this. I just cut it. We're done with the wig cap. I tie the back and tuck it in. And that's how I do my caps for my wigs. Depending on how much lace space I have, I might pull this back a little bit. I think I'll pull this side back. Yeah, so it could be even. Okay, now we're done. Now we're done. Just go with some alcohol to like clean up any excess product. Okay, after that I'm gonna put the wig on. Oh, it's not looking like it's gonna fit me. Why does HD lace wigs always be so snug? Like, I don't get it. Do I have enough space to do like a half up, half down? No, that's all I care about. I'm gonna put a little powder makeup on the lace. Just a little bit. Cause like, with HD lace, you don't even be needing it for real. Just put a little bit. And the powder I'm using is by Ruby Kisses in the shade 11. That's the powder that I'm using. Alright. Back to the what I'm supposed to be doing. Alright. Going in and like trimming my cap a little bit so like it won't be, I don't know, I just making sure it's not too much cap. I don't want the cap showing through the lace. I hate when that happens, bro. I literally cry. So for glue, I don't be using glue nowadays with my wigs, but I'm gonna glue this one down for the sake of the video. These are the two glues that I be using. Yeah. I don't know which one I want to use. I think I'm gonna use this one. I forget how this one works. Okay. It just got everywhere. Okay, now the glue don't want to come out when I'm filming. Okay. The smear. What the? Okay. I'm gonna do another layer. I think I'm gonna do 3. Yeah, I'm gonna do 3 layers. And I'm gonna blow dry it till this is fully clear. Okay, I lied. I'm not waiting until it's fully clear. That I'm too impatient for that. When I put the lace down, I put it. Oh, just pull it forward. And place it in the glue. And before I put my band on it, I hot comb it back. Like I feel like the hot comb really like seeps the lace into it. Now I'm going to cut off the ear tab on the side. They call me from Atlanta, say listen. Well. You see how it's kind of short? Like it don't reach all the way down here like I want it to. I don't want it to look dumb though. I cut the lace before I put the belt band on the razor, and I just go like this. I need something to talk about. Okay, let's talk about what everybody asks me all the time. Tips on how to become a wig. Okay, it just better be that important. Tips on how to become a hair influencer, or how did I become a hair influencer? And really, I just started off doing like, well, I put way too much glue. I started off just doing like little synthetic wigs for content. I use hashtags like, oh my gosh, like it just better be that serious. Hashtags like wig install, frontal wig install, wig top. Like hashtags like that, because that's like the hashtags that they watch. And you gotta make sure you gotta use trending sounds, honestly. Like for your stuff to hit the For You page, you gotta use trending sounds and hashtags. Or you could be lucky and not use none of that. Yeah, you really could like just start off just buying like little cheap wigs to make content with, just to get more exposure. When it comes to like how much you charge, I really feel like that's all up to you. Really. you know, charge your worth when it comes to them. But me personally, when I first started, I did my first 2 for free, and I built my price up as I went. I did my first 2 for free just to get free wigs to make more content. I wasn't worried about getting paid for it at first. I was worried about getting bigger so I could start getting paid. You know what I mean? And I built my price up as I got bigger. You know? Once you're, you know, starting to like try to get them to reach out to you, make sure you put your email in your bio. Because some can contact you through your Instagram, but on TikTok they can't contact you because you're not friends. But if you have your email, they're gonna go right to that. I'm gonna like part it. Hold up, let me film it. Like that. And a lot of these companies, like they try to, like, they think that we're like, I wouldn't say dumb, but think we're very naive. Like, oh dear, we're giving you a free wig, can you do this cooperation for free? And it's like, if you're really trying to get into this to like make a living, a wig is not gonna pay you. Like, a wig is not paying no bills or nothing. So like, I feel like I should make this bigger. I feel like this is fine. I don't even know. Yeah, they think like we're just gonna just do it just to get a free wig. And after a while, you're not even gonna care about no free wig because it's really work. Having to change your hair all the time is work. Installs cost like $100 to $200. So why would I do it for anything less than that? I'm not saying that's my price, but I would not. That's just a starting fee because you want me to do my hair. You know what I mean? Now, I'm not saying you gotta be like super strict. It's okay sometimes to negotiate with them a little bit, because sometimes they will come back and want to and are willing to pay your full price. You know? But there are some companies that when I first started that was like, oh dear, can we get a discount? We plan on doing a long-term cooperation with you. Can we, you know? I was like, okay, I'll give them a discount. And I never worked with them ever again. They just took off on me for real. And I was like, I just took it on the chin, you know? And they killed me with that dear word. Like I lie to you not, this one company wanted me to do 3 TikToks, an Instagram post, and an Instagram reel. So that's a lot. That's 5 separate posts. And they wanted to buy the link in my bio for a month. And I gave them a price, and they're gonna say, oh dear, can you do $50? They lost their mind, for real. $50 for 5 posts and a month link. Now I see why I never did a half a path down this way, because this is kind of difficult for me. Some companies be like, dear, our budget is only $50. I'm like, all the followers y'all have, y'all are a big company, you're not about to play in my face. And that's when they be like, oh, I checked with my manager, I got a bigger budget for you. Cause y'all think I'm like, no, I think I'm dumb. I know for a fact y'all not paying E-Kane, and that's the only one I can think of. And $50. Like, be so for real right now. I'm too busy talking. I haven't even got no progress for real. But I'm just parting out my baby hair. Oh, you can see my cap. I gotta cut that.
Long as you got your eyes, got the trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with.
I hope this hairstyle looks right. I don't even have a technique when it comes to cutting baby hair. You think I should, right? No. For my edges though, I just curl them upwards. For curly wigs, I use this for my edges because it's gel. Curly hair works good with gel. I'll be using a lot of gel, I'm not even gonna lie, but that's because I want them stuck the whole time I got the wig on. Even though I don't be keeping them on long, but I might keep this one on for a few days, maybe 2, 3. I don't know why I said a few. That's an exaggeration. A couple days. Y'all, my camera died, but I would ended my edges off camera. I don't know. I like it. I'm gonna just wet the hair now, add some mousse to it. It stopped recording again, but this is the end of this video. I'm finally done. This video is probably all over the place with me talking, yada yada yada. But this is how the hair came out. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.